Hello, everybody. We will talk about HTML and CSS. When you look at a web page, you might wonder how it is made. To display a web page, your internet browser reads and interprets a special set of instructions. These instructions are written mainly in two languages, HTML and CSS. The World Wide Web Consortium, we call it W3C, defines the web standards or specifications for these languages. It is important to understand web standards to ensure that the different web browsers display your pages accurately. Dreamweaver includes features that allow you to build web pages based on the latest web standards. Let's look at how HTML and CSS work together to make a web page. First, we will talk about what is HTML. HTML is a markup language for describing web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. A markup language is a set of markup text. Web pages display content and have an underlying structure defined by HTML. The content can include text, images, links, or even audio and video. Most HTML elements are written using opening elements and closing elements tags that tell the browser what type of content to display. The tags are written in a specific order to define the structure of this page. Each HTML tag describes different document content. Okay, let's have an example. On this slide, it shows three common HTML tags: H1, P, IMG. H1 specifies heading text. It's good for page titles. P specifies paragraph text. It's good for body text. IMG display an image specified by a src. It means source file. Okay, there is a note. The HTML in this example display in uppercase. To illustrate this concept more clearly, however, it is best practice to write HTML tags in lowercase when coding your own pages. Okay, HTML tags are very important for web pages. Let's talk about how to code HTML tags. HTML tags are keywords surrounded by angle brackets. Here is the content. At the left is the tag name, and on the right side is the tag name. HTML tags normally come in pairs like P and /P. The first tag in a pair is the start tag. The second tag is the end tag. The end tag is written like the start tag, but with a slash before the tag name. Let's pay attention to here. The start tag is often called the opening tag. The end tag is often called the closing tag. Okay, let's continue to talk about what is CSS. CSS describes the presentation of an HTML document. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. With HTML, you've given a basic structure to your web page, but there's not much customization to the style or layout. Eventually, you want to add colors, format text and images, and reposition elements on your page. CSS is a language that works with HTML to apply this style and formatting to your web page. Use CSS to find one or more HTML elements and then provides additional instructions for what to do with that element, such as change its color or center it on the screen. CSS describe how HTML elements are to be displayed on screen, paper, or in other media. And it saves a lot of work. It can control the layout of multiple web pages at once. Okay, let's go on the example we have see here. In this slide, I have added CSS style for it. So let's have an explanation for it. Here, H1 text align property was added for H1. Text align center, it means the heading text is center aligned. Color red, font weight bold, text align center for P tag. It means the paragraph text is red, bold, and center aligned. Width 150 pixels, height 100 pixels for img. It means the image is resized to 150 pixels by 100 pixels. How to write CSS? How to write CSS style? What is its syntax? Now, okay, we'll talk about it. A CSS rule set consists of a selector and a declarations block. Here is the selector, and here is the declaration block. The selector points to the HTML elements you want to style, and the declaration block contains one or more declarations separated by semicolons. Each declaration includes a CSS property name, and a value, separated by a colon. A CSS declaration always ends with a semicolon, and declaration blocks are surrounded by curly braces. Yes, it is surrounded by curly braces. Okay, if you want to know more about CSS and HTML, you can watch the videos, the following videos I give you, and you also can go to the homepage of W3C, get more information. The address is www.w3schools.com. Okay, thank you.